Hello everyone, I am Shakaib and I hope you all are good. And this is our second tutorial of this course. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Python shell and how to do basic programming on it. So let's start. Go to Windows icon, type Python ideally, and Python ideally is also known as Python shell. Click on it. Now Python shell is opened. Now first of all, I will show you how to print some statement in Python programming. It has a very simple syntax. It has just print keyword and a round bracket and a double quote, then again double quote, then round bracket, close round. This is the syntax if you want to print something on it. Right. Okay. Now what does this double quote mean? It's mean you are going to print some string values. What is string values? String values is basically just sequence of characters, numbers or letter. Like I want to print hello world, so I just write hello world, then press enter. They give me an output hello world. Look at their syntax. It is very simple. Right? I have write hello world, they give me an output hello world. If you write your name, print my name is Shakib. Double quote, market one, press enter. They give me an output. My name is Shakib. What you have write in within double quote, they give you an output. But you can also print these values in single quote, like hello Shakib, then bracket close. They give me an output because double quotes and single quotes both indicates that these values are string values. If you want to print both numeric and alphabets together, so you should have to print these values within double quotes or single quotes. Like I will show you 1 2 3 ABC, close double quote and close bracket. They give me an output 1 2. If you forget to put double quote or single quote in it, they give me an syntax error. I will show you 1 2 3 ABC and press enter. They give me an invalid syntax error because they can't understand what actually this data type is. Double quotes and single quotes indicate this is an string values, and if you just want to print only numeric values, just only numeric values, so it can give you an output like 1 2 3. Look, this is an just numeric value because they can understand easily this is an integers values. Integers values are basically numeric values, natural numbers, whole numbers. Just press enter. They give me an output because they can understand this is an integers values. What is integer value, what is string, I will teach you in detail when I will teach you I will give you a concept of object oriented programming. Then on this tutorial, on that tutorial I will teach you in detail what actually these data types are. Now move on. How to declare variables. What is variable? Variable is a piece of memory that can contain data value. You can give you can declare any kind of variable or any data type of variable, but forget it, I will show you in detail. But now I will show you the basic of their variables. Like I will give a declare a variable whose name is x equal to, this is my variable, x is my variable name. I will declare this x is equal to, and I will give him some values, like I will give 20. The value of x is 20. Press enter. And again next variable y, as value 30. Look, I have declared two variables. First one is x and second one is y, and the value of x is 20, then and value of y is 30. Now what I want to print? I just want to print their sum, x plus y. So for that I have declared another variable whose name is result. What I have to do with result? Just plus x plus y. Now the value of x are here and the value of y are here. The sum of this result are stored in result variable. Now I just want to print their actual result, was 20 plus 30 result. So I just write print in bracket. Now the result of their sum are stored in result variable. So I just write result. Yes, ULT. So look, print round bracket open the variable name in which your result as stored, save or store. Now I just press enter. They give me an output 20 plus 30 equal to 50. Look at this. They give me an answer 20 plus 30 is equal to 50. Now you can either use single variables, like if you want to print x values, so you just use print keyword bracket and then variable name, press enter. They give you value of x. Is similar print y, they give you an value of y. Look, x 20, that I have already declared x equal to 20, and value of y is equal to 30. They give me output y is equal to 30. Look how simple is it. Very simple syntax. Now you can either perform mathematical operations without declaring variable, like give first number, like I will give 23. Then what mathematical operation I perform? I am going to perform addition. Then another value 34. Then simple press enter. Look, 23 plus 34. They give me an output 57. Now you can either multiply some values, 10 multiply by 10. They give me an output 100. Look how very simple and easy syntax that Python have. For the beginner, it is very simple and easy language to learn and make strong commands for the beginners. Now, if you want to print some string values, so just you have to declare variables, like I will declare again x equal to my name is double quote close, and y equal to shakaib Imran. Now I have declared a variable x which have string values. My name is. The value of x is my name is. The value of y is shakaib Imran. I just want full name, so I just declare full name variable and declare x plus y. If you do like this, they give an output, and if you want to do like this, just print, then do bracket and close bracket. They give me an output. My name is shakaib Imran. Look, they give me an output. My name is shakaib Imran. They merge two variables. Like arithmetic operation when I was performed. 20 plus 30, they give me an output 50. Similar thing with string variables, like x is equal to value my name is and y is equal to value Sayyid Shakib Imran. I just coordinate it like print x plus y. They merge two various values like my name is Sayyid Shakib Imran. Look at this. How simple. If you want to print or some add numeric value, then you have to follow this result. If you want to print and merge two string values, then now you just have to follow this thing. It is very simple and everyone can easily understand. Now in next video I will teach you in detail what actually for loop and while loop, how to declare for loop and while loop in Python language. I will teach you in detail for loop from basic level. Now I hope you can understand this video. If you have any question regarding this video, just comment down. I will give you an answer as soon as possible. Please like my videos, share and subscribe with your friends. Thank you very much.